In this video, we'll learn about comparative and superlative adjectives. Remember that an adjective is a word that describes a noun. For example, tall is a word that could describe this person. Hot is a word that describes the temperature, and dirty is a word that describes this dog. A comparative adjective is a form of an adjective that compares two nouns. Usually we add "er" to the end of the adjective to make the comparative adjective. For example, this person is tall, but this person is taller. We are using the comparative adjective to compare the height of two people. You could also say yesterday was hot, but today is hotter, to compare the two temperatures of yesterday and today. Another example of a comparative adjective would be saying, my dog was dirty, but then he got even dirtier, to compare how dirty the dog was at two different times. There are some adjectives that don't follow the add-er rule. For example, the comparative form of good is not gooder, it's better, as in the book was good, but the movie was even better. Some other examples of irregular comparative adjectives include, I sing well, but she sings better than me. The hamburger was bad, and the fries tasted even worse. I have read many books, but you have read even more. I have little water left, but you have even less water. And soccer is fun, but baseball is even more fun. A superlative adjective compares three or more nouns to tell the most or least something. We usually add est to the end of the adjective to make it a superlative. For example, if there are three young girls, we could compare them all by saying, this girl is young, this girl is even younger, and this girl is the youngest. So youngest is the superlative form of young. You could also compare three pencils by saying, this pencil is short, this pencil is even shorter, this pencil is the shortest, where shortest is the superlative form of the adjective short. Lastly, if you are comparing three thick books, you might say, this book is thick, but this one is thicker. This is the thickest book, where thickest is the superlative form of the adjective thick. There are some adjectives that don't follow the add est rule. For example, the superlative form of good is not goodest, it's best, as in, this is the best cake I've ever had. Other irregular examples include, Ava swims the best of everyone on the team. That was the worst storm of the year. He has the most stickers in the class. She made the fewest mistakes on the test, and the field trip was the most fun day of the year. Need activities for practicing comparative and superlative adjectives? Click the link in the description for a no-prep way to help your students understand these concepts. And subscribe to this channel for more speech therapy video lessons.